Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to convert your Google Slides presentation into a video. Super simple, super fast. This is the full 2026 walkthrough. So yeah, let's get right into it. First thing, go ahead and open the Google Slides file you want to turn into a video. Nothing fancy here. Just make sure the slides look exactly how you want them to appear in the final export. Next, set your slide timings. Google Slides doesn't have built-in timing, so you'll choose how long each slide stays on screen during the export. A common pick is 5 seconds per slide, but you can go shorter or longer depending on your style. All right, now download the file. Click File, then Download, and choose Microsoft PowerPoint. We're doing this because the actual video export happens outside Google Slides. Once the download finishes, open it in PowerPoint. If you don't have PowerPoint on your computer, you can use the free online version. Works totally fine. Now, this is where the magic happens. In PowerPoint, click File, then Export, and choose Create a Video. Set your resolution, choose how long each slide plays, and hit Create Video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pick a place to save your video, give it a name, and confirm. PowerPoint will render everything automatically. It usually takes just a few seconds unless your slides have heavy animations. And that's how you convert Google Slides into a clean, polished video. Super easy, right? If this guide helped you out, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.